Yeah, welcome back with us. So it's day 19 of our 30-day wave journey, and we want to do our morning routine today. So this is how my hair looks like after the wash and style from the last time. So I'm going to be using the pomade. A little bit of it. And in no time we'll get into our brushing session for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go. Yeah, so now we're done brushing. We want to lay it down with our Ziploc bag and rag up. So now I want to rag up. So that marks the end of day 19. So and I bet if you have been following up from day 1, you must have been having this progress. If you are putting in enough work and you are brushing enough.